I'm not the one with the mouth full of cock. You don't know nothing, so just stop. You just a punk ass bitch. I go hard on this shit. I'm surrounded by groupies and all you got is boys sucking on your dick. Fag, get the fuck away. You ain't worthy enough to get close to Stony Ray. I'm the best, you know me. I'm fresh and all you got is hate. I smile at you and you get frustrated. I don't know why, maybe cause you didn't get a birthday cake. I get cake with strawberries and whipped cream, but it's on your bitch, yeah, you know what I mean. It's a sexy, my bed ain't clean. The clothes are on the floor and she came in your Levi's jeans. She declines your calls, she's too busy to talk. Don't be surprised if tomorrow comes and she can walk, cause I fucked her too hard. My dick is long, it's my biggest bone. Stony Ray, haha. About to drop something called Can't say it yet, but it will be done soon. Got some people with me, chilling in the room. Brian Socks on the beats, and Ludwig's here too. Who wants to hear him rap? I know I do. Come and sing some shit in this microphone, dude. He's too shy, but he's fly though. Known as the fucking man, you don't wanna mess with him. Haha. Yeah, finally, man. Finally, I've been waiting too long for the summer. Time to put your shorts on. Ain't gonna wait for no longer. We just outside all day and night. We don't give a fuck. It's never gonna be cold again. The sun is shining, grinding, getting tipsy. Yeah, my girl miss me, but I'm not coming home. You know where we'd be. Life is a party if you're with me. Can you suck my dick, please? Go ahead, but when you don't kiss me. Fuck you. We made this shit in like an hour and a half. About to go downstairs and grab me a snack. I'm starving, yo. That shit is a fact. I hope you all enjoyed this motherfucking rap. Yo.